Hello everyone. Today we'll see about chromosome from the second unit, chromosome and the heredity, in which we will see the introduction to morphology of a chromosome. I know in the previous classes we go through this concept, so we will recall it. First of all, we will see the term morphology. What is morphology, or what is the meaning of morphology? Morphology is nothing but the external appearance, or it's how it look like. That is nothing but the morphology. What is the length, what is the size, what is the number, all are included in a morphology. The chromosome is nothing but the thread-like DNA complex which function as a hereditary vehicle, which transfer the character from one generation to the next generation. The chromosome first seen by the Hofmeister as a nuclear material in a pollen mother cell of the Tradescantia in 1848. After that, many more scientists work on that, and the present name was given by the Waldier in 1888. Typically, the eukaryotic chromosome is present. The prokaryotic chromosome is a hereditary material and is not associated with the histone protein and form a single complex prochromosome. This slide clears the prokaryotic chromosome is nothing but the double-stranded DNA, circular double-stranded DNA without histone protein, whereas the eukaryotic chromosome is nothing but the double-stranded DNA with the histone protein. The eukaryotic chromosome is the complex of the double-stranded DNA with the histone protein. The eukaryotic chromosome is not visible during the interphase. The cell cycle consists of the two phases, the interphase and the M phase or the mitotic phase. The interphase again consists of the G phase, S phase and the G2 phase, and the mitotic phase consists of the mitosis phase and the meiotic phase. In a interphase, the chromosome material or the chromatin material is long and thin, whereas in a mitotic phase it is condensed and thick, and that's why the best time to observe the chromosome is a late prophase or the metaphase. The shape of the chromosome is a rod shape, straight or bent, arc-like, horseshoe shape or a sigmoid. Next point, the size of the chromosome. The size of the chromosome is depend on the stage of the cell division. As we already studied that it is the longest and the thinnest during the interphase, and that's why it is not visible in the interphase, whereas it is smallest and thickest during the mitotic phase. The size of the chromosome is ranges from 0.5 to 30 micrometer in length and 0.2 to 3 micrometer in a breadth. It is short in a fungi and birds like a 0.25 micrometer, and it is long in a plant like a Trillium 30 micrometer. Some other example like a Drosophila having the 3 micrometer long chromosome, the man having the 5 micrometer long chromosome, the maize having the 8 to 12 micrometer long chromosome. In a human being, there are the 23 pairs of the chromosome, in which the 22 pairs are the autosome and the one is a sex chromosome. Means the total number of the chromosome is a 46. If we attach that 46 chromosome one another, then it ranges up to 2 meter long, and the chromatin condensed 10,000 times to give the size of the mitotic chromosome. The next point is the number of the chromosome. The number of the chromosome is different in a different species. and that number is not related with the size and the complexity of the organism. The chromosome number is generally constant for a particular species. For example, in a Drosophila, the chromosome number is 8, while the other species of the Drosophila also having the same number of the chromosome, and the same species having the constant somatic and the gametic chromosome number, and the gametic chromosome number is exactly half of the somatic chromosome number. This table shows the chromosome number in some eukaryotic species. Here also we can see that the rat and the monkey having the same number of the chromosome. If we consider the size of the rat and monkey, so the rat is so small and the monkey is much more big than the rat, but they having the same number of the chromosome. So the chromosome number is not related with the size of the organism. The next point is the genome. Genome is nothing but the complete but a single set of a chromosome, is called as a monoploid or the haploid. The somatic cell of the higher plants and animal possesses the two genomes or two sets of chromosome. It's called as a diploid. And some plants having more than the two sets of the chromosome, that is called as a polyploid. Those plants which having the three set of chromosome is called as triploid, having 4 called tetra, having 6 called hexa. The example of the triploid is the banana, tetraploid is the rice, and the hexaploid is the wheat. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will see the structure of the chromosome.